Welding is the process of using some form of heat energy to join metal parts. One type of welding, arc welding, uses an electrical current to weld objects. Change your life, be better. Science Father presents welding technology. It's the hybrid event. International Research Awards on Welding Technology. Next event start on 24 to the 25th of September 2023. At a beautiful place in Mumbai, India. We have 10 plus awards. 100 plus awards winners. Nominate now Welding Awards. Join with us. 11th edition of International Research Awards on Welding Technology on 24 to 25 2023 Mumbai, India Welding Summit 2023. Nominate now scientists, academician, research scholars for presentation in our International Research Awards on Welding Technology.